At the beginning of loads of TV shows, books, and movies, as we are introduced to the main character, we find out very quickly that they have just moved to a new town or to a new school. Maybe this person is in search of a fresh start, in search of a new beginning. Can you think of any TV shows or movies that start like that? Usually the plot continues by showing us the ups and downs of new friendships, new romances, and new plans. And it highlights to us that a new beginning can bring adventure and excitement, but that a new beginning can also cause nerves and bring challenges. All of you have just started a new beginning, the beginning of another school year. Maybe for some of you, this new beginning has been filled with excitement, but maybe for some of you, this new beginning has been filled with nerves. Let me tell you about Joshua. Joshua was also facing a new beginning. He was beginning a new job as the leader of God's people, the Israelites, and he was beginning a move to a new country. He was responsible for looking after around 2 million people. And although they were all excited about moving to this new land promised to them, there were many obstacles in their way, including the enemies who were trying to stop them in their tracks. If Joshua's life was made into a movie, like we mentioned earlier, I imagine this to be the scene where he takes himself away to a quiet place with soft music playing in the background as he looks across a town, wondering how he is going to cope with what's in front of him. Thankfully, Joshua was not on his own. He had someone to help him. And amongst the nerves, the excitement, and the challenges he faced, I want to read to you the words that God said to Joshua. He said, "Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go." Joshua did put his trust in God, and he was able to lead the people into the new land, starting their new beginning, with God helping them every step of the way. That would kind of be like the party scene at the end of the movie, by the way. As you begin a new school year, I hope that you can be strong and courageous in everything that comes your way, remembering that there are so many people around you to help you if you ever do feel afraid or discouraged. But for me, as a Christian, I have experienced what Joshua experienced in my life too. Thankfully, I haven't had to lead 2 billion people to a new country. But I do know that when I face a new beginning, I can be strong and courageous because I know that God will be with me wherever I go. I do not need to be afraid when I put my trust in Him.